In the bustling world of roads and highways, the qualities that define a good driver extend far beyond mere technical skill. A good driver embodies responsibility, awareness, and consideration for others, creating a harmonious environment on the road. This narrative explores the traits that set these individuals apart, illustrating how their commitment to safety and emotional maturity shapes their driving experience. At the core of being a good driver is a profound sense of responsibility. This responsibility manifests in a steadfast commitment to following traffic rules and regulations. Good drivers understand that these laws are not mere suggestions, but essential guidelines designed to protect everyone on the road. They approach every journey with a mindset that prioritizes safety, ensuring that they adhere to speed limits, signal their intentions, and respect traffic signs. This adherence not only safeguards their own well-being, but also the lives of passengers, pedestrians, and fellow motorists. Awareness is another hallmark of a good driver. They possess a keen sense of situational awareness, continuously scanning their surroundings for potential hazards. This involves regular checks of mirrors to stay informed about vehicles approaching from behind and maintaining a vigilant eye on the road ahead for pedestrians and cyclists. Good drivers are adept at anticipating the actions of others, recognizing that the unpredictability of traffic requires constant vigilance. They remain attentive, even in the face of distractions that often plague the modern driver, such as texting, eating, or fiddling with the radio. For them, the road demands undivided attention, and they consciously choose to set aside distractions, understanding that a momentary lapse can have dire consequences. Emotional maturity plays a crucial role in a good driver's demeanor, particularly in challenging situations. Traffic can be unpredictable and, at times, frustrating. Good drivers exhibit patience when faced with delays or aggressive behavior from others. Instead of succumbing to road rage or impatience, they harness their emotions, remaining calm and composed. This emotional resilience not only enhances their own driving experience, but also contributes to a more peaceful atmosphere on the road. Their ability to take a deep breath and let go of frustration can diffuse tense situations, fostering a sense of community among drivers. Consideration for others is perhaps the most distinguishing trait of a good driver. They recognize that their actions have a ripple effect on the entire driving ecosystem. This awareness leads them to facilitate smoother traffic flow by allowing merges, yielding to pedestrians, and using their horns sparingly. They understand that every decision they make behind the wheel can impact the safety and comfort of those around them. By giving pedestrians the right of way, they contribute to a culture of respect and safety, reinforcing the idea that the road is shared by all. Moreover, good drivers are often proactive in their approach to driving. They plan their routes, allowing ample time for travel to avoid the temptation of rushing. This foresight reduces the likelihood of making hasty decisions that could endanger themselves or others. They also maintain their vehicles in good condition, recognizing that a well-maintained car is less likely to cause accidents or breakdowns. Ultimately, being a good driver transcends technical skill. It is about fostering a safer driving environment for everyone. Each time a good driver takes to the road, they contribute to a collective effort to create a culture of safety and consideration. Their responsibility, awareness, patience, and emotional maturity not only protect themselves, but also enhance the driving experience for others. In a world where the hustle and bustle of everyday life often leads to distraction and impatience, the qualities of a good driver shine brightly, reminding us that the road is a shared space where kindness and consideration can make all the difference.